I just know damn well he's gonna roll his way off this goddamn building.
Pop it. Instead of just getting rich together, like, I want you guys to be living an active, a healthy lifestyle. Like me right now, I'm at the park.
He's like a little kid.
Hold on, you're moving, bro?
My 15th year at the middle school, and I'm sure it will be.
Oh no. Oh shit. Oh God, no. Lucy, save yourself. Don't let it happen. Lucy, move. Lucy. I'm not doing nothing.
I cut this guy off. He's pissed. Oh.
Yo, relax. Yo, relax. Yo, yo. Hey, yo.
没有找到猫粮。小狗。
นึกว่าคือร้าน
Big world, big world, big world, big world.
Yo, mama, I got it. And you gotta walk past the casket, remembering how hard he hit the wall when you blast, remembering how sad he's something on me through.
Oh, my boy's scared. Hands off. Hey, Mar.
No.
Oh, no.
Hey.
I don't have time for this shit. I'm trying to cry in the car.
Oh, it's watching you.
Oh, he's reading it! He's reading the note.
Yeah. No trivia, Mo. Like, I don't want to step in this, and I step in a puddle full of mush on some Antarctica shit, or this might be the concrete floor. Oh, not, oh. See, Mo, we sturdy. Oh!
Boah, Digga, ich sag dir, Bulgarien ist hier im Coming wieder, ne?
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
You good boy. You good boy. You good boy, buddy. Hani nerede cin aşkım aşkım?
Take a picture of it and TikTok that, bitch.
Señor, ¿sabía que si le duele la cabeza se le quita con un taco de barbacoa?
Ah, pero a mí no me duele la cabeza.